Hey, it's Josh here from CreateStudio, and I'm super excited to show you inside our latest Doodle text creator. So let's hop over inside the software, and I'll show you how you can create your own Doodle text scenes inside CreateStudio. Cool, so it's really simple to do, and what you want to do first of all is just simply add your text layer. So let's go and add the text here, and I'll make this text black, like so. And let's go ahead and say, let's doodle. Like so, okay? So you just add your text down like that. You can make it as big as you like. You can adjust the text font if you like, but just add your text and then click on the drop down menu over here and then click on the plus icon to add a text effect. And then you simply select Doodle over here and you're about to see we've got this really nice looking doodle animation. One thing you will also want to do is adjust the rotation point. So select the layer and just click on the rotation point and make sure that you select top left. And that's just going to enable the text to stay where it is, and it will enable the the hand to write like that. Okay, so you can also adjust the duration. So if you want to make it slower, just bring this out like this, and I'll just show you what this looks like that. Okay, cool. So yeah, you can also position it where you like, and as you do that, the hand will automatically readjust. So it's all done automatically with the technology that we've built into this. So I'm just going to go through and go back over here, and you can see we've got a whole bunch of different hands. We've got some real looking hands. We've got a chalk hand. So let's say, for example, if you want it like this kind of chalk looking one like that, you can do that. You can also select 3D character hands. So again, we've got like a marker pen one like this. Looks pretty cool. And we've got a whole bunch of other really nice looking ones. We've got 2D ones as well. So if if you're creating an explainer video with 2D characters, it's good to use one like that, for example. If you're using a 3D character one, you can go and grab one of these ones. And you can see we've got a whole bunch of them. So it really gives you lots of variety and possibilities when you're writing and creating your doodle videos, okay? Even got chalk ones like that. So let's just play this through. Just like that, you can quickly and easily create your text animations. And I'm just going to go over here and duplicate that, and let's just bring this over like so, so that after this doodle finishes, we want to add some more text. I'm just going to select this text layer and just bring it down, let's say in CreateStudio, like that. I might make this a little bit bigger. Okay, like that. So this is coming over like this. It's looking really good. Maybe I'd adjust that hand and use a marker pen for this one. So maybe something like, maybe even like this tattoo one. It's kind of cool actually. And you can obviously adjust the hands like that. And what you can also do, if you select this and go back into the text settings, you can see you can adjust the size of the hands. If you want to make it really big or much smaller, you can do that as well. And it automatically updates to make sure that it's in sync with your text. So let's just preview that. Cool. So that's one of our updates that we've just added, which is a really special update that we've put in. Another thing we've also done is we've added the ability to add different contrast and saturation and different filters onto your images. So let's go over and I'll import some media actually. So let's go with mountains. This, and let's say I want to go grab maybe something like this one. Looks quite nice, so I'm just going to import this image and then go back over here. So let's have a look. There we go. So I'm just going to grab this image here and just scale it up like that. So over on the advanced settings over here, you'll be able to see we've got some options. So we've got brightness and contrast, so you can adjust the brightness. This is really good also for green screen editing. So to help you with your, to make a nice clean cut, you can adjust the brightness and the contrast. You can see you can really play around with these and adjust your images and your videos with the brightness and contrast, and you can also apply filters onto your layers. Let's go, for example, grayscale, got sepia, brownie, vintage, or Polaroid. So yeah, that looks really nice. And with these, just to note, in the editor, when you're applying filters, because it applies a filter onto every pixel of the image or the video, it can slow down the editor. But when you render the video, it will be like normal. So this is one thing to note. But yeah, those are our main updates inside CreateStudio. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, make sure to add a like to this video, and would really appreciate it if you could add a review to Trustpilot or on our Facebook page. That just really helps us, in building our company. So yeah, thanks again. And yeah, make sure to download the latest version to see these updates inside your software, and have a great day.